Alright everybody, welcome back to the Driveway Engineer. Today we're doing the fire up of Darrell, my 79 C10. I want to show you guys real quick that I had a little oil leak underneath. My filter, the O-ring on my filter got kind of screwed up, and it was overlapping, so it started shooting oil out everywhere. But I want to show you guys that you don't have to be intimidated by all this stuff, like all these wires. I don't have a lot here. These are the constant hot and keyed hot to my harness. This is the ground. This pump here goes to my fuel pump, which is over there in a bucket. So what I do first is I fire up the fuel pump to check for leaks, which I've actually already done. Up here, Sarah. I just look at each one of the injectors and make sure that there's no leaks and that nothing's spraying out. You can hear the fuel pump running. From there, I go ahead and I power up the PCM. And you hear the throttle body kick on. And then my one wire to the starter is here. So this is basically my ignition key, and it should fire right up.
I'm gonna step back for this one.
All right, so I mean, we got 40 pounds of oil pressure. It's not spraying oil everywhere now. It's not making any crazy sounds. It's stupid loud, but it's not making any crazy sounds. I don't have any water, so I'm not going to run it much longer than that. I just wanted to see the pressure come up. But yeah, at that point, that's it. Like I said, it's something anybody can do. When you know the time comes, I'm going to go focus on my transmission. But when the time comes, I'll highlight how to make this more factory. Like, obviously, all these wires are all extra stuff that it doesn't need to run. They're reverse lights, they're park neutral switches, stuff like that. You just need 12 volts in a couple places and it'll start and run. So don't get too intimidated by these things. They're pretty straightforward, really, at the end of the day. That's pretty much it for the Saturday update. Thank you to my camera girl, Sarah, my wife's little sister. And, you know, thank you guys for watching. I hope this helps. Like I said, this is just my... I'm sorry this is, you know, a bit of a rat's nest, but these are my constant hot and 12 volt keyed off of my harness from Jason Richard. And then the ground's hooked to ground, and I give it fuel. I didn't even bother with the relay. I just hot wired the fuel pump, so it had fuel to the rails. And like I said, I started it up. I turned the pump on, and I had a couple leaks. Those are just Goodyear barricade hoses with good fuel injection clamps. You know, those clamps are like $1 a piece or something. They're kind of expensive for what they are. I really can't think of what else to tell you guys. That was enough to... And as far as oil pressure goes, like, I really don't care what it is. Like, I want to know what it is right at startup. We got 40 PSI and it didn't fly apart. So that's all I really care about. After that, you know, if it knocks, it's wrecked anyway. So what am I, you know, what's that going to tell me? So yeah, 12 volts to the ECM, 12 volts to the fuel pump, 12 volts to the starter. Vroom, away you go. So this is JR. Thank you guys for watching. And we'll see you next time on the Driveway Engineer.